Little Blue Truck Leads the Way, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you have ever heard. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, 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 isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue, the city is high. Zoom roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with the big red letters, Rides R Us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud, I'm first, you're last. Whee! Went a siren coming through. Busy police car, things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh, went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor inside, I'm important, move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech, the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and all went fine. Taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the parade. Boom went the drums and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled hooray for the Little Blue Truck who led the way.